Still not sure whether you need standard cleaning or a deep clean? Let's break it down so you can choose the perfect option for your home. At Ealing Clean, standard cleaning is our go-to for routine maintenance. It's ideal for weekly or bi-weekly service, perfect for busy professionals, families, or anyone who wants their home to stay fresh. We'll focus on your high-use areas, living spaces, bedrooms, bathrooms, and kitchens. We'll handle general dusting, surface cleaning, vacuuming, and tidying. It's efficient, it's fast, and it's great if your home is already in decent shape. Now, deep cleaning is a different story. This is your top-to-bottom reset. We recommend it for first-time bookings, or when your home needs serious attention. We're talking about deep grime, hidden dust behind furniture, build-up inside appliances, baseboards, vents, and all the areas that rarely get touched. It takes more time, but it delivers serious results. Pro tip: most clients start with a deep clean, then move to standard cleaning to keep that spotless feeling week after week. Still not sure which one's right for you? Send us a message or a quick photo, and we'll guide you. No pressure. Ealing Clean, spotless made simple.